Sweets is up there. Sweets! He's right here in front of the house, kids. And he's right here. And he won't calm down. I got a waffle. I got bird food. And I have millets. I'm trying my hardest to get this little birdie back for us. I hope I get him back. If I get him back, I will call you guys at school and let you know so that you guys are not upset all day long. I love you guys, and I'm trying to get our birdie back, okay? I love you. So, in the life of Sweets, you decide every now and then to fly away. So it's been 3 hours since Sweets decided to fly away. He's flown through different people's yards and all sorts of things. Now he's gotten a little bit closer on the other side of the electrical pole. So, he's in front of my neighbor's house now. Hopefully, he gets closer and closer. He's still up there singing. That is Sweets right there. Let's go. See, I have his food here, his little food and his foraging box, and a little cup of food that we also leave. And Sweets is right here, having a great time. In the life of Sweets. You can hear him singing. He's having a ball. There he is, with his diaper on and everything. Sweets! 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 Sweetie pie! Sweets! 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 Bacon, bacon, bacon pancakes. So in the lives of Sweets, Right now I'm playing a waiting game. It's been 3 hours so far plus. And I pray to God Sweets decides to come back to me. We will see what happens. Part 2 to come. Sweets, come home. I love you. My banana. It's starting to rain and somebody is still singing and dancing. My stinky boy does not like water. See most birds splashing in the water. Not Sweets. Sweets doesn't like it. I don't know why. But it's starting to rain. And I know he knows I'm here. Birds have amazing vision. I know he knows I'm here. I hope he comes to me. Longest waiting game of my life. So this is an update on Sweets. He came back. He flew to my head once he got tired. It is actually 1:47 p.m. So since 7:30 a.m. until 1:47 p.m., right? Yeah, 1:47 p.m. from 7:30 in the morning. He has had me outside. I have salt on my clothes from the sweat, and he's just like, I don't know how he didn't turn into a popcorn chicken out there. So hot out there. Sweets, what did you do to mommy today, huh? That wasn't nice. You scared me. You were flying all around the neighborhood. That's not nice. I love you too much. You're my banana head. I love you, my sweetie pie. I love you, my sweetie pie. Now that I took a shower from sweating so much, I can give you the update. Are you tired after all of that? You've had a long day, haven't you? Yes. And he flew so many other times away. Oh my goodness. What a day. But he's back home. He came back and flew on my head when he was ready. What a day. It took 7 hours for him to come back. I don't know how my chicken didn't turn into a popcorn chicken. Yeah, you. Popcorn chicken banana head. You're gonna go to sleep, huh? All comfortable. All pooped out from your adventures. Flying all around the neighborhood. You should be ashamed of yourself, young man. You scared me half to death today. But mommy loves you. I love you. I love you, my baby. I love you. I love you. This is a good boy. Yes, you are my little banana. Oh, you're a good boy until you fly away like that. Yeah. I missed you. You scared me. You scared me. You scared me. You can't do that to me. You can't do that to me. Then you scared me. I thought you were gonna leave. I thought you were gonna leave mommies. I thought you were gonna leave mommies. I love you. I love you. The day of a life of a banana hen. Baby the sweets. Sweets. Like the scratches on the head, scratches on the head. I love you. Oh, now you're gonna get a little scratchy then. Can I get a kiss? I want a kiss. Can I have a kiss? Can I please have a kiss? No kiss for me.